Hello viewers, thanks for stopping by. Now if you're a subscriber to this channel, you may have noticed we've been quiet lately. Please accept our apologies for not posting any new videos. With too many conflicting issues, COVID being a major one, my creator has not had any available time to create new content for this channel. Until now. Yes, we're back and with some changes. Hi, my name is Jack. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Veronica.
Yes, I'm a synthetic avatar.
I am also a synthetic avatar.
To help get new tech-related content out to you a lot sooner, my creator has developed a new video game production workflow that will feature synthetic avatars like me
And me.
to help deliver all your tech-related news, reviews, and yes, tutorials as well.
I'm here to help deliver technical content in bite-sized chunks so you won't get so overwhelmed and blow a fuse. Yes, I'm here to explain it in another way.
So, if you're not a subscriber already, then you know what to do now so you won't miss out on all the juicy tech we release on this channel. You ready for more? Then stay tuned.